Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to the free marketplace content from Unreal Engine for November 2021. And remember, for everybody who watches my stuff for Unity, can import Unreal content into Unity, and I'll leave the link to my tutorial in the description. So be sure to sit back and check these fantastic assets out for this month. So number one is the ArcViz interactive UI and tools, and it's a highly customizable user interface and toolkit for ArcViz. You can set the color, icons, text font, and change the features which can be turned on and off as needed when you're looking around a visualization. And you have multiple tools which include different things like having mouse options, 2 different specific example apartments provided with travel features to jump in between them. The next one is the Assets Cleaner project cleaning tool, and this automatically finds and lists unused assets in your project and allows you to directly use the operation and the tool to move or delete, and you can keep your project size down, load times as small as possible, and avoid wasting time by migrating assets and cleaning projects up by doing it all by hand. The next one is the Character Appearance and Dissolve, and this includes 20 different appearance and dissolve effects with a bunch of different materials, textures included with each, and these are optimized for mobile too. The next one is the Cloudscape Seasons, and it's a volumetric cloud system with procedural generation using ray marching, and you have artistic control to change the shapes and use finer details. There's 3 different layers of clouds with one different with the cloud type, the wind strength and the speed. You can customize the shadowing, the colors as a fixed parameter, and it can be driven by curves. You can use sky spheres. You can drive with a sun moon trajectories, both based on the calendar of the latitude with different settings, and you can generate your own cloud shapes, and so much in this. Next one is the Modular Industrial Area, and it's a complete high quality industrial pack with modular buildings, hangars, with full interiors. It doesn't include an interior and exterior with doors that open, boxes, gates and containers with over 110 different meshes, all the way up to 4K resolution with 180 different textures. One that's permanently free from this month onwards is the Polar Sci-Fi facility. It's a modular science fiction type facility with grand vistas of a mountain range. So it includes particle effects for avalanches, snow, sparks and more, decals, architectural meshes, props, vistas and everything that you can see within here, with level of details from each, with such low triangle counts all the way up to 6,500, with resolution of textures going up to 4K, over 52 different models included. So be sure to check out all these fantastic assets from Unreal Engine for November 2021. Be sure, if you follow me for Unity, you can import some of these into Unity using my tutorial. Come and join me and support me on Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts, projects and so much more from everything on my channel. Come and chat to me on Discord. Check out my great assets on the Unity store, and a big thank you to everybody who supports me on Patreon because it really helps me out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.